Jyotisi, and welcome to all of my YouTube channel of product matching using the deep learning. So in today's session, I will give the a technical overview about the product matching, how to implement the product matching from requirement to end-to-end implementation. So in this video I will just give the small overview, and the I will make a separate video for all this agenda in detail. So let's start. So first, what is the product matching? So product matching means it makes the strongest strategy to find a similar product on the competitive website by utilizing the product images and title. So it's used for the retailer to find the competitive price and make the that stocks are available or not. So let's discuss on a technical agenda. So I will cover about the structure of the product matching application, how to make application, then the comparison, and what is the embedding, and I will next cover the image based strategy, same as a text based strategy, prediction and the result, and then final I will give live product matching demo. So I will make separate video of these points. Okay, so let's start the small overview. So structure of the product matching application. So in this part I will cover the which technology programming language are used to make the application, means like Flash, Python, R, HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, yeah, and many other application, and their inbuilt machine learning library used to make the application. I will also cover the storage. There are many storage, cloud storage available, but which one is best for fit in for the product matching application, and how to deploy this application. There are many applications like Heroku, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud. Yeah, there are many deployment means we can deploy the machine learning model in this application. So I will cover all this in this session. Then I will make the video about the comparison. So we cannot compare one by one image, means we cannot compare the each and every image, but we convert the image into the numerical format in the 1 to 3 like format, and the same as the title we can convert this title into the numerical format, and this numerical format is machine can understand. Machine cannot understand the product image and product title. Machine can only understand the text. Is in the technical term it's called the vector. So I will cover this part in this video. And the embedding. So embeddings come into picture. So it embedding is nothing but is a represent of the vector. So these many vector techniques available in machine learning, but we use selected techniques to convert the product images into the numerical format and product title to the embedding format. So next I will cover how to convert the image and how to predict this is the image. They are the workflow. I will just give the short description, and this I will make the separate for video all this in the depth. So first we have a product image, and we apply the predefined model. Predefined model means they are already researched developed the model like ASNet. So this sound like very difficult, but it's called the CNN predefined model. The computer vision, this model are already available. So we apply this model, so we have to just call the library, and there is only 2 or 3 line of the code to use this model, and this model is convert into the numerical image into the numerical format. Then we apply the global average pooling. So what is a global average pooling? I will cover in the in this image based strategy video. Then apply the activation function. So why we use the activation function? How many types of the activation function, like softmax, relu, arc margin product layer? So why we choose the arc margin product layer? I will also give the overview in that video. And then suppose we cannot get the accuracy, then we use the loss and optimization function. So there are many loss and optimization function available in machine learning, like Adam, Relu, right? So which is the best we can use, and we can discuss in this video. I will also cover how to convert the image data and predict the image. So in this part, suppose we have an image, and we apply the predefined CNN model like ResNet 101, EFNB4 and EFNB5 bells, and then this model is converted the image into the numerical format, and after that we apply. Now machine come in the picture, and machine check the which algorithm is the best, and machine here I will be used the KNN algorithm and cosine similarity to product matching. For the product matching, so then it is predict the image. So I will cover in the depth in this later part. So same approach apply on the text based strategy. So suppose we have a product title, yeah. So machine cannot understand this is a product title, so we will use the TF-ID vector, and transformer is very famous and embedding approach that convert into the tags embedding. So we will discuss about this, and this is the workflow about the tags prediction. So I will cover in the later part. Okay, then come the prediction. So using the cosine similarity and KNN algorithm. So I will cover what is the cosine similarity, why we use the cosine similarity. There is a special math behind to calculate the cosine similarity, and for the there are many types of the machine learning algorithm, but we will use the KNN algorithm because it provide the nearest data points, so we can find the product matching, nearest product matching. Yeah, so I will discuss in this prediction video. Then the result. So we can, what is the average F1 score? So average F1 score is a Peasant math formula. We use the precision and recall. So what is a precision, what is a recall? There is a Peasant statistics. Yeah, so I will cover in this part. And what is the image score, and what is, how can we get the tag score, and then merge the image score and tag score. So if the more merge score, then we can get the model accuracy more, means we have a near to product similarity, right? So the less merge score, then the less model accuracy, means our operation, means our operation is not, is a poor result, means we are getting a poor result. So we use the loss and optimization function to accurate our score here. And then I will give the live demo of the product matching. Okay, thank you.